everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. I'm Akanksha Mishra, so let's start with today's session. I have a big question. Can ISO actually make you rich? Sounds surprising, right? I mean, how a certification, just a set of rules and audits, turn a normal business into a money-making machine. But here is the twist. ISO can help you become rich, just not in the way most people think. And today, we are going to uncover the real truth behind it. So, the myth people believe. Most people think getting ISO certified is like unlocking instant success. As if the moment you get that certificate, clients will rush in and profits will double overnight. It sounds exciting, almost like a shortcut to success. But the reality is very different. ISO is not magic, and it is definitely not a quick rich scheme. So let's have a story of two companies, two paths. Let's imagine two companies starting at the same time. Company A decides to ignore ISO standards. They rely on shortcuts, informal systems, and we will manage somehow thinking. Meanwhile, Company B chooses a different path. They invest time in ISO standards, build power processes, and focus on quality and consistency. At the start, both look similar, but what happens next changes everything. Company A, the downfall. Slowly, Company A begins to struggle. Their product quality becomes inconsistent, customers start complaining, and there is confusion in operations because there are no clear systems. Mistakes increase, trust decreases, and eventually customers start leaving. What once looked like a growing business turns into a struggling one, facing losses and uncertainty. Now, Company B, the growth story. On the other hand, Company B starts seeing a different reality. Because of ISO standards, they have better quality control, smoother processes, and stronger data management. Customers trust them more. Their reputation improves, and new business opportunities start coming in. Over time, this consistency turns into growth, and that growth turns into profits. Now, the real truth revealed. So, here is the truth. ISO does not directly make you rich. It doesn't give you money overnight. But what it does is far more powerful. It builds a strong foundation for your business. And when your foundation is strong, everything else, trust, growth, and profits follows naturally. Now, how ISO actually leads to money? ISO helps you reduce errors, improve efficiency, and deliver consistent quality. It builds credibility in the market and opens doors to bigger clients and even international opportunities. When your business becomes more reliable and professional, customers are more willing to trust and invest in you. And that is where the money starts coming in. Now, what is the hidden twist? But here is something most people don't realize. Many companies get ISO certified and still don't succeed. Why? Because they treat ISO as just a certificate to show off, not a system to follow. They focus on getting the badge but ignore the discipline behind it. And without real implementation, ISO has no impact at all. ISO does not make you rich. Your implementation of ISO does. So if you are thinking about ISO as a way to become rich, change your perspective. If you truly follow it, improve your systems, and commit to quality, ISO can transform your business and lead you toward financial growth. But if you are only chasing the certificate, nothing will change. ISO is not a shortcut, it is a strategy. So next time someone says ISO certification, don't think of it as just paperwork. Think of it as a powerful system that can shape a business future. And if used the right way, it might just take you closer to the success and wealth you have been aiming for. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.